being part of clinical research is a really important aspect of the Sports Medicine Institute, and we want to make it easy and normal for our patients to do that.
People who participate in clinical trials will not only potentially benefit themselves from the treatment that they are receiving and the information that they are receiving about themselves, but the information can also be used to help others, people that they have never met, people all around the world, by being a part of clinical research at UNC.
Well, research is important for orthopedic care because sometimes we think we are better than we really are, and research either proves that to be correct or not, and it's a way for us to look back critically at our ultimate outcomes.
I think there's both personal benefits and benefits to society. To know that you're volunteering to help us treat people that come after you better, I think that certainly that altruistic ideal is important. Also, I think the information we get from research that may change outcomes on their personal treatment in the future.
At the beginning, I was contacted by UNC Orthopaedics because I had osteoarthritis in my left knee. My sort of thing is I'm trying as hard as I can to age well. And so I think participating in this gave me more information both about myself and about upcoming treatments on the horizon so that I can watch out for those exercises or those drugs or whatever, so that as I continue to age, I can be informed.
Last May, I was playing rugby and I tore my ACL. So when I saw that UNC has the opportunity for all these research studies, I really wanted to be a part of that. You're going to learn a lot about your own injury. You're going to know more about it and be able to apply those things to yourself. And then, like, unselfishly, you can, help the entire population of people with your same injury moving forward. That way they have the best rehabilitation process. It's just adding yourself to that front edge and making an impact.
The studies that we do are generally designed to measure your function. So for example, what we do in the laboratory on most days isn't very different from what you'd be doing in physical therapy. We don't do invasive studies, and it's a generally inviting environment in which we bring patients in.
We make sure when patients are coming in that we're spending a lot of time talking about what they're going to be asked to do. We talk to them, we talk through any concerns, and then we have them go through the task in a sort of unofficial way where they can kind of see what's going on. They can go at a pace that's comfortable for them, and we make sure that they're feeling really comfortable and confident and moving in a way that they naturally would. After a couple trials of something, patients tend to be very relaxed and are actually enjoying themselves, and we get really good data.
We want, as researchers, to develop the science that will essentially be able to impact clinical care. So the ability to take the findings that we find in the laboratory and move them to the patient to improve that patient's life, that is the overall goal. And the Sports Medicine Institute provides the mechanism to actually do that.